Can you see who viewed your Facebook video? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see if you are able to view who has uh, seen your Facebook video. So let's just jump right in. Open up Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you want to visit your profile by going over to the top right corner and then tap on profile banner. Once you are here, you need to scroll down and find your photos section. So I'll just go over to photos on the top. And then from here, you want to find the videos folder if you're able to. If not, you can just go to the reels section right besides it. Then it will show you all of the reels you have and the number of views your reels have. So what you basically do is just tap on the reel. And then as you can see, you can only view likes and who have liked your video. Then in that case, you know for sure that this person over here has liked your video. But you can't be sure who have entirely viewed your video or the list of people who have viewed your video because Facebook does not allow that. And that's basically it, guys. You are not able to view a list of people who have liked or who have viewed your videos on Facebook, but you can see who have liked your video, so that's helpful. If Facebook brings out this feature where you're able to view all of your viewers, then we'll be the first one to let you know, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. I'll catch you guys in the next one.